Hi guys, welcome to my channel where I will show you lots of creative tutorials on various techniques I use to create my handmade jewelry. Today I will show you how to create the hammered effect. I use Pigment leather effect black color cutters by on Amazon, glue of the school pay, a bar tool, and the gold pigment of Antiquità del Sito. Obviously, all the links of the material that I'm listing, you can find them under the video in description. Let's start by rolling out the dough in one direction, only without changing it. I use thickness number 1. Now then, take the cutters and make the desired shape. We cut the excess edges with this cutter.
Shining star, giving, receiving, changing, believing, only then we could start. Feel like that. Feel like that. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me.
When this is done, start hammering on the dough with the board tool. You can also change sides. I only use one. Once this step is done, add the gold pigment with a brush. Better flat because it adheres better to the clay. Start brushing all over the shape. Make sure it also goes the edges. Now let's create the hole where the ring will be inserted. Now you can make the first cooking. Once the clay has cooled, done well, we add the glue only on the back of the pins and buy to Labimbi. The link for buy stainless steel pins you can find in description under video. With the other layer of clay, close the pins well. And now bake a second time for 30 minutes. Nothing happens. Let it cool before removing it from the oven. We remake the whole well. And assemble the earrings using 24-karat gold-plated brass rings. The link of the rings you can find always under video in description. And here is the result of this effect. What do you think? Let me know in the comments and like. Also support me on the other social channels and buy my creation on my Etsy shop. I send you a big kiss. Hello!